どっちが好きですか？そっちよりこっちの方が好きです。In this lesson, we are going to learn よりの方が。With this phrase, we can compare things. Then finally I can choose between the two. Alright, but what are those in the first place? Oh, they are もこもこ and くもくも. Both of them are cute though. Then shall we start the lesson? Sure! Today's grammar is よりの方が Noun 1 より Noun 2 の方が means noun 1 is more or less than noun 2. This is used when comparing two things and mentioning that the latter one has more or less degree of something than the first one. Now I'm gonna show you how to make a sentence with よりの方が. Let's take a look at this example sentence. Lemons are more sour than bananas. First, I'm gonna express this part in Japanese. Let's look over words first. Lemon is lemon. 酸っぱい means sour. Oh, if you'd like to learn flavor words, I have a video for you here. Go ahead and check it later. Then let's go back to the lesson. Now this is a basic grammar. レモンが酸っぱいです。Do you know what this means? It means lemons are sour. Now I add のほう in front of が。のほうが。のほう is used when you pick one thing between two or more things and then compare and mention about it. So, レモンの方が酸っぱい could mean lemons are more sour. Okay, then I'm going to express this part in Japanese. It's actually easy. Just add noun and より at the beginning. So it's going to be like this. バナナよりレモンの方が酸っぱいです。So, より means than, and noun 1 is supposed to use as a base of comparison. Now let's make よりの方が sentence with me. Fridays are better than Mondays. Let's make this part first. Friday is 金曜日. Where did you put it? Let's put 金曜日 in pale yellow box. Here. Then next, go ahead and put object of this sentence, which is いいです。金曜日の方がいいです。Then next, we are gonna make this part. Mondays is 月曜日 in Japanese. So let's put 月曜日 in blue box. ただ、月曜日より金曜日の方がいいです。So far, we've been looking at the case with nouns, but with other parts of speeches, the sentence structure changes slightly. When you use adjectives, put plain form of adjectives and delete no in nohouga. For example, 寒いより暑い方が好きだ。I prefer hot weather to cold weather. In case of non-adjectives, na adjective and add na instead of no in nohouga. For example, 頑固より素直な方がいい。Being honest is better than being stubborn. Case for verbs. Put plain form of verbs and delete no in nohouga. For example, 走るより歩く方が楽だ。Walking is easier than running. Now let's look back at the skit at the beginning.
どっちが好きですか？
どっちが好きですか means which do you like better? そっちよりこっちの方が好きです。そっちよりこっちの方が好きです means I like this better than that. Then let's do speaking practice.
Sure.
Now can you say this in Japanese? I like Fridays better than Mondays. 月曜日より金曜日の方が好きです。Repeat after me. 月曜日より金曜日の方が好きです。Next is I prefer hot weather to cold weather. 寒いより暑い方が好きです。Repeat after me. 寒いより暑い方が好きです。Lastly, I like reading mangas better than watching animes. 私はアニメを見るより漫画を読む方が好きです。Repeat after me. 私はアニメを見るより漫画を読む方が好きです。Awesome! 今日の授業はここまでです。
You did great today. またね。
If you wanna learn Japanese grammar more, check the left one. And if you wanna learn kanji, check the right one. Bye!